Hello everyone, this is Blouse Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to talk to you about the ways to change your style. I get tired of my clothes really fast. I can't wear one and the same dresses, tops, and blouses for a long time. This is why I decided to sew something completely new and different. I made the blouse and these pants. The lace blouse is lined with silk. I made the blouse on the basis of a basic pattern. My basic pattern is made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. The sleeves are flared and gathered with the cuffs on the bottom. There is nothing complicated in this blouse. You can easily make such blouses using your basic patterns. The course of the 10 measurement cutting system will be out very soon. You can use any other basic pattern as well. As I've already said, the lining is made of silk. Notice that the lining and the main fabric are not attached to each other at the bottom. This is how the blouse looks like. The trousers are slightly flared. You can make them as wide as you want. The trousers are of a very stylish length. This outfit is not typical for me. This is definitely something new. This is why I said that I want to talk to you about changing your style. I don't know about you, but I get tired of my clothes very fast. I'm tired of the stylists telling me what to wear and what not to wear. We all know that such trousers are in trend now. You know who can give you the best fashion advice? You. You are the ones who should decide what to wear and what not to wear, what suits you and what doesn't. I think that a white shirt would also look pretty good with these trousers. Roll up the sleeves, put on some accessories. I'm planning to wear this blouse with different skirts. It would also look pretty good. I made 2 garments, and I can create so many different outfits with them now. Such trousers are very convenient because it's not hard to make them fit you. They should be made wider right from the hips. Have a close look at them. I love this pair of trousers. They're getting wider right from the hips, so they're pretty loose here. The trousers are very comfortable. They will look good with different kinds of shoes, with different blouses and shirts. Next, I want to show you how these garments look like with different accessories. Have a look at me. I changed the shoes and the accessories. Have a look at my red ring and the red shoes. You can see that I look absolutely different now. The blouse and the trousers are the same, but they also look absolutely different. As I've already said, the small details are actually the ones which affect the way we look. I'm glad that I decided to show you the blouse and the trousers. The trousers are made of crepe. Notice that the fabric is striped. Have a close look at it. It looks very beautiful. The fabric is of a very high quality, so I hope that I'll be able to wear these trousers for some time. We sell all of these fabrics in my fashion house. The lace is very comfortable. It's 85% natural. It's of a very high quality. I want to change my style, so I'm going to sew some interesting garments for myself. I'm sure that this outfit would also look good with my beige shoes. I've already talked to you about the importance of color. You all know that red color is not only beautiful, but it also represents strength. I've also told you that not everyone is able to wear red. Red dress or a red skirt suit, for example. This is why we all should add at least some small red details to our outfits. They make us look absolutely gorgeous. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshta Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.